Hello, welcome to my channel Binny's World. Today is my topic about the Syngonium plant. It is a best indoor plant. This plant is grown in direct sunlight and well-drained soil. Once in a week, we have to water this plant. It is a very hardy and bushy plant. In low light, the leaf will be in green color. They need humidity and moisture. Used in decorating the home. Varieties are probably more expensive. And to this plant, monthly once fertilizer should be done. And compared to green color pot, the brown pot is giving attractive look to the Syngonium plant. Pruning should be done regularly. This can be placed in hanging pot also. Soil required for this is cocoa peat, which hold the moisture, composite sand and garden soil. This plant can also be grown in water. As like a money plant, I have also grown the Syngonium in a glass container. To this glass jar, I have added pebbles. Without adding pebbles also, the Syngonium is doing very well. Very hardy plant. This can be grown by any beginner. In a year, minimum we can develop or propagate 2 to 3 plants from a single plant. We can give these cuttings to our friends or family members. There are large varieties of Syngonium plant over the world. How attractively this plant are placed on the dining table, and it's giving a beautiful look to the dining table like a money plant. The curling of Syngonium indicates that it has low humidity, improper watering or too much light, lack of nutrition or extreme temperature or over fertilizer. So we should take very careful while growing this plant in a home. Now I will show you how to propagate this plant with a single stem. See, here there is a node. On a second node there is another new plant has grown. So with the help of knife I will cut this node very carefully without damaging a single root also. So we have to be very careful while doing this. To get clear picture of those two different plants, I have washed this plant in a water and I am dividing the roots of a individual plant and I am cutting very carefully. Now see, without a damage of a single root, I have cutted the two plants in this manner. See, I am showing nodes at which a new plant may be grow. Now we have to take a pot with a soil mix, cocoa peat, sand, garden soil and fertilizer. At the center we have to place this plant very carefully without damaging a single root. We have to place this plant at the center of this pot and on that top of that root we have to place the soil and press with the hand gently and remove the air bubbles which is present in that soil. In order to get the Syngonium in a bright color leaf, we have to place this plant in indirect sunlight. This way I have potted this new plant. So every year I am taking with a single plant, I will multiply 2 to 3 in this manner. See the color of the leaf, how nicely it is there. Now after repotting we have to pour water. After a week we have to pour once again the water. Excess water should not be given to this plant. So I am sprinkling the water on the leaves so that the leaf will look very freshly Whenever I pot any plant, I will not only pour water to that plant, also I will sprinkle the water on the leaf. So the leaf will look fresh. Every year with a single plant I will grow 3 to 4 plant. Through cutting also I have propagated the Syngonium. See, here I have placed a Syngonium with the cutting. Initially the plant leaf is a very small size. We think that this is not an Syngonium. But after this plant grows